All right, guys, we just rolled in here to Eldon, Iowa at the Cardinal Area Welding Academy. Getting ready to go do some welding with these students. So let's go see what they got. First thing is, for a good weld, you have to have a good fit, right? It's pretty hard to take and make a nice weld with a bad fit. I mean, it can be done, but it just makes your job harder. If you grind it out and you fix it while you're welding, that's just welding. But if you have to go back to that weld after you already capped it and you're done, that's a repair. All right, we'll go ahead and put this quarter in right here. Are you guys ready? Eyeballs.
Showing these kids how to do some TIG welding. For some of them it's their first time, some of them did it.
So, the root is in. QC, you want to check that out for me? See if you like it. Looks good. All right.
Probably biggest thrill of teaching is watching the students when they hit the switch, you know, like they really pick it up and they understand what they're doing and how it's working for them. That's probably what makes me come here every day and do it. I mean, it's a great opportunity. It's good to teach somebody something that, you know, it took you years to master. If we don't have people that can go out and build things and work with their hands, it really affects the infrastructure of the country. Skilled trades are something that they don't change as drastically through the years. It's an opportunity nobody could ever take away from you. You will always have that trade in your back pocket.
So this weld we made today, I'm gonna leave that here with you guys as a little thank you. Okay, appreciate it. These guys are the foundation to America. These are the ones teaching you guys the blue collar trades, the skills to go out there and work and build America. So let's give these guys a big round of applause. Awesome. All right, guys, we're just wrapping up here at the Cardinal Area Welding Academy here in Eldon, Iowa. We had a great time. It's President's Day. We still had a huge crowd to come out, got to see what we had to offer. A lot of talent here in Iowa, so we'll hope to see you guys out in the trades. All right, we're here in Eldon, Iowa at the Cardinals Area Welding Center with the Indian Hills, and let's